This question is again from Chittagong, Huzur. The question says that
why you say again from Chittagong?
there was
His question was from Chittagong?
his question.
Right.
Sorry. He says that unemployment rate in Bangladesh is very high. Still, there are some people who always show their aversion to work. They don't like working. So the question is, what?
Don't like working?
I mean, some people. His question is.
Hard question.
The questioner. Questioner wants to know that what is the Islamic teaching about such lazy people? How can we activate them?
Let them suffer. If you do not work, you lose the opportunity of earning honorable bread. And Rasulullah Sallam used to teach people to work with hands so much that even Ashab Sufa used to go to the wood, cut the wood, the trees, and brought back the bundles of wood for selling in the market. And this is how they paid their chandas, as contribution to Islam. So this is the spirit of Islam. Bangladesh, I understand, is a Muslim country, supposed to be overwhelmingly large, have an overwhelmingly large population of Muslims. Say 90% or 80% of Bengali?
Around 90.
Around 90% of them are Muslims. So they should work hard. I know the Hindus work very hard there. And before partition, I remember many Muslims preferred to employ Hindu workers because they said, in answer to my question, because they are very studious, very hardworking, and very honest. So I don't know, the things have changed in favor of the Hindus, good things, and not in favor of Muslims. It's a very sad story.